Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Amrin Akhtar Tania, teacher of Milestone School and College, English Medium Junior Section, Sector 7. My dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are very fine. And Miss is also fine. Alhamdulillah. So, my dear students, are you practicing your classes? I think you all are watching the classes and you are practicing it at home. So now I am going to take your English class. Before starting the class, I will show you magic. Do you like magic? See, it's a magic stick. And now I will show you magic. Ding! Wow! What is this? See? What is in my hand? Here is written, excuse me. This is excuse me. So, when we say excuse me, suppose your mama and papa are talking with each other, but you want to eat a chocolate. So, what can you do? You will say, excuse me, mama, or excuse me, papa, I want to eat chocolate, like this. So, when we say, excuse me, when we need anyone's attention, when we want to talk with someone, that time we will say excuse me. Okay, when we will say excuse me, when we want to take anyone's attention, when we want to talk with someone, that time we will say excuse me, like this. Okay, so now let's start today's class. Before starting, at first, let's read out the alphabet chart. This is the letter A. A phonic sound is A. A, apple. B. B phonic sound is Ba. B, ba, ball. C. C phonic sound is Ka. C, ka, cat. D. D phonic sound is Da. D, da, doll. E. E phonic sound is A. E, elephant. F. F phonic sound is F. F, fish. G. G phonic sound is Ga. G, ga, grape. H. H phonic sound is Ha. H, ha, horse. I. I phonic sound is E. I, igloo. J. J phonic sound is Ja. J, ja, juice. K. K phonic sound is Ka. K, ka, kite. L. L phonic sound is L. L, lion. M. M phonic sound is M. M, moon. N. N phonic sound is N. N, nurse. O. O phonic sound is O. O, orange. P. P phonic sound is Pa. P, Pa, pumpkin. Q. Q phonic sound is Qua. Q, Qua, queen. So students, look at this. Wow, it's a nice picture, right? Here, a monkey is hanging in the branch of a tree, right? This is a monkey. What monkey likes? Monkey likes to hang and jump from one tree to another tree. Okay, see, the monkey is alone, right? He wants more friends. So, we will try to help him to find out his friends. Okay, now students, we already learned the letters A to Q, right? So, in our English alphabet, there are 3 types of letters, right? One is tall letter, short letter and hanging letters, right? So, the letter which sits in the second row to third row, they are hanging letter, right? Okay, I will let you know how. Okay, so let's find out the hanging letter. Today we will learn the hanging letter. See, what is this? This is the letter A, right? See here how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. In our English copy, there are 4 lines and 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. So, the letter which we write in the second row and third row. That means from second line to fourth line. They are hanging letter. Okay. So, see here we have written A in the middle row, right? We will follow here only the small letters, okay? Not capital letters. We will follow here only small letters. So, here we have written A in the middle row. That means from second line to third line. So, is it hanging letter? No, this is not hanging letter. Because hanging letter sits in the second row to third row, okay? Now, this is not hanging letter, so I will not write it, okay? Then see, this is the letter B. So, see where I have written B? B starts from the first line and it comes up to third line, right? So, is it hanging letter? No. This is not hanging letter. This is tall letter. This is, we have written in the first line to third line. So, this is not hanging letter. Okay. Then now look. What is this letter? This is C. Where we have written C? We have written C in the second row from second line to third line. So, this is also not hanging letter. This is short letter because hanging letter sits in the second row and third row from second line to fourth line. Okay, so I am removing this one also. And this is the letter D. So, is it hanging letter? Can you guess where hanging letter sits? Hanging letter sits in the second row and third row. But it doesn't sit in the second row and third row. It sits in the first row and second row. So this is not hanging letter. This is tall letter. Is it hanging letter? No, this is also not hanging letter. It sits in the middle row. It's a short letter. It's a short letter. This is the letter F. F is a hanging letter, tall letter or short letter. This is tall letter. This is not hanging letter. So it can't be monkey's friend, right? Now see, what is this letter? This is the letter G. This is the letter G. Where G sits? Look. This is second line. So G starts from the second line and see it go down and touch the fourth line. So is it hanging letter? Yes, this is hanging letter because it starts from the second line and it touches the fourth line. So this is hanging letter. So we will make it friend of the monkey, okay? It will sit beside the monkey, okay? See, G became monkey's friend. It is also hanging in the tree, right? So, what is this letter? This is the letter H. So, H is a hanging letter. H sits in the second row and third row. No, H starts from the first line and it touches the third line. So, this is not hanging letter. This is tall letter, right? Tall letter is sits in the first row and second row. So, this is not hanging letter. This is tall letter. Okay, let's find out another hanging letter. Now see, what is the name of this letter? This is the letter I. This is the letter I. Where I sits? I sits in the middle row, right? It starts from the second line and it finishes in the third line, right? So this is short letter. This is the letter J. See, it starts from the second line, then it touches the fourth line, right? This is hanging letter. So we will make it friend of monkey, okay? It will sit beside the monkey, okay? So J will also hang in the branch of the tree like this. Is it looking nice? Yes, they are looking nice. So let's find out they have any more friends. So now see, this is the letter K. Okay, so K starts from first line. So is it hanging letter? No. Hanging letter will start from second line. So this is not hanging letter. K is a tall letter. Now see, what is this letter? This is the letter L. This is the letter L. So L starts from first line and it touches the third line. So is it hanging letter? No, this is tall letter. So it will not be monkey's friend. Now see, what is this letter? This is the letter M. This is the letter M. So M sits in the second row. It starts from the second line and touches the third line and finishes in the third line, right? So is it a hanging letter? No, it's a short letter. It's a short letter. What is this letter? This is N. See, N starts from the second line. So it can be hanging letter, right? No, this is not hanging letter because hanging letter starts from second line and it will finish in the fourth line. Okay, so this is not hanging letter. This is also short letter. What is this? This is O. This is the letter O. O sits in the middle row. So this is also short letter. Now see, what is this? This is the letter P. This is the letter P. So, see where P sits? P sits in the second row and third row. P starts from second line and it goes down and touches the fourth line, right? So, is it hanging letter? Yes, this is hanging letter. So, it will sit beside the monkey, right? It also sits beside the monkey. See, they are hanging in the branch of the tree, right? Okay, so let's find out another friends, another hanging letters. So now see, this is Q. Okay, so Q starts from second line and it touches the fourth line, right? So is it hanging letter? Yes, this is hanging letter. So we will make it friend of monkey. Okay? Okay. So do it. Okay. So now Mr. Monkey is happy, right? Because he has got some friends, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now monkey has got 4 friends. So from A to Q, how many hanging letters? 4 hanging letters. G, J, P, Q. G, J, P, Q. G, J, P, Q. So now students, look at the board. Our today's topic is circle the hanging letters. Today we will learn circle the hanging letters. So we will find out the hanging letters and we will circle it. Okay. So this is A. Is it hanging letter? No. Because hanging letter touches the second line and fourth line. Hanging letter will starts from the second line and it will touch the fourth line. So A is not hanging letter. We will not circle it. Then B. Will we circle it? No. We will not circle B because this is also not a hanging letter. Now look. This is the letter C. C sits in the second row. This is also not a hanging letter. We will not circle this one also. After C, which letter come? After C, D. So D starts from the first line. So is it hanging letter? No, because hanging letter will start from the second line. Now look. What is this? This is the letter E. E sits in the middle row. So this is also not a hanging letter. After E, which letter? After E, this is the letter F. So F is a hanging letter? No, this is also not a hanging letter because this is starts from the first line and it finished in the third line. So this is also not a hanging letter. Now look here. What is this letter? This is the letter G. So G starts from the second line and it finished in the fourth line. It touched the fourth line. So this is a hanging letter. So we will circle G. Okay, then what is this letter? This is the letter H. So H starts from first line. So this is also not a hanging letter. It's a tall letter. Then I. I is a hanging letter. I sits in the middle row. So I is also not a hanging letter. Now, after I, this is the letter J. See, J starts from the second line and it goes down and touches the fourth line. Right? So, J is a hanging letter. So, we will circle the letter J. Okay, then what is this letter? This is the letter K. This is the letter K. K starts from first line. So, we will not circle this one, okay? Because this is not a hanging letter. We are going to circle the hanging letters. Okay, then this is the letter L. L starts from which line? L starts from first line. So, this is also not a hanging letter. Then, this is M. This is the letter M. M sits in the middle row. It starts from second line and it touches the third line. It finished in the third line. So, this is a short letter. This is not a hanging letter. Now see, this is the letter N. It starts from second line but it doesn't touch the fourth line. It finished within the third line. So, this is also not a hanging letter. It is a short letter. Now see, this is O. This is O. So, O also sits in the middle row, right? So, this is also not a hanging letter. It's also a short letter. Now, after O, which letter? After O, this is the letter P. So, where P sits? P sits in the second row and third row. P starts from second line and it finished in the fourth line, right? It touched the fourth line. So, this is also a hanging letter. We will circle P. Then, which letter? This is the letter Q. So, Q is a short letter, tall letter, hanging letter. Which one? So, see where it starts? It starts from the second line, right? We write in the second line and then we are touching the third line, then fourth line. So, this is hanging letter, right? Because I have written it in the second row and third row. It touched the second line and fourth line. So, it is also a hanging letter. So, I will circle this one also. So, students, what have we learned today? We have learned circle the hanging letters. So, students, can you find out the hanging letters? You will find out the hanging letters and you will circle it, okay? So, can you do? I think you all can do it. Okay. So, students, this is all about our today's class. So, I hope you all will watch my class and you will practice it at home, okay? So, no more today. Bye-bye.